I'm Nichole Fecteau from Better Homes and Gardens, the Masiello Group, and this is 172 Rollingwood Road in Eliot, Maine. The very unique thing about this home is its location. Homes in this neighborhood do not come on the market very often, and this is a looped road. It's just a closed loop where people are always out walking their dogs and taking walks. The neighbors are always so friendly. Every time I drive through here, people are waving at me. This home is a 3-bed, 2-bath Cape. It has been well maintained throughout the years. It has a fully finished basement that also includes a wood stove. Let's take a look. I'm Nichole Fecteau from Better Homes and Gardens, the Masiello Group. Thanks for visiting our listing at 172 Rollingwood Road in Eliot, Maine. For more information or to schedule a showing, please give me a call.